Hey there! Welcome to the most exciting and comprehensive English grammar course out there. Are you ready to master English grammar and take your language skills to the next level? Then you're in the right place. My name is Hubert, and I'll be your instructor on this amazing journey. In this course, we're going to dive deep into the world of English grammar and explore everything from the basic sentence structure to the advanced rules of usage. But before we get into the details, let's take a quick look at what you can expect from this course. We'll start by covering the foundational aspects of English grammar, like the parts of speech. We'll look at nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, and how they all work together to create meaningful sentences. We'll then move on to more complex topics, like tenses and voices, and explore how these elements can be used to add depth and sophistication to your writing. The course is designed to be interactive, engaging, and fun. Each section is filled with practical examples to help you reinforce your learning and track your progress. By the end of this course, you'll be able to speak and write English with confidence, precision, and style. Whether you're a native speaker or learning English as a second language, this course has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive into the exciting world of English grammar together and take your language skills to the next level. I can't wait to see you succeed.